pinch of cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, star anise, a small handful of cardamom, orange that we peel, and lemon. Then you're gonna take your lemon and you're gonna move it a little bit so the oils are gonna come out, and you're gonna put the lemons, and the same thing you're gonna do for the oranges. Let's not forget the sugar. I have put 5 teaspoons. In the pot. You're gonna put the whole bottle, and then once you're gonna actually boil it, it's gonna kind of caramelize a little bit, and all of the ingredient will mix up nicely together.